Morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, I hope you have read about the brain, the three parts of the brain. Now, today we are going to study about the nervous system, and in the nervous system, we are going to study about the spinal cord and nerves. So, what is spinal cord? Spinal cord, as I have told you earlier, that spinal cord originates from the medulla and extends till the lower end of our backbone. So now is it clear to you that spinal cord is like a cord? Cord means a thin wire, and it starts from the medulla and it ends into the backbone, lower end of the backbone. So you can see the spinal cord here. So it is present in the backbone. Got it? So backbone protects the spinal cord. Got it? And it is tube like structure. So it is a tubular structure and it is protected inside the backbone. So backbone help us to protect the spinal cord, and it is made up of many nerves. Got it? It is having a lot of nerves. Now we are going to study about spinal cord in detail. So it carries message to and from the brain and rest of the body. Got it? From where do it carry the message? It carries the message from the brain to the body and from the body to the brain. And it controls the reflex actions also, that I will explain you in the next slide. So, reflex actions. What are reflex actions? That do not involve the brain. Got it? That you will understand in the next video. So, now we will study about the nerves. You can see in the picture also, our body is made up of lot of nerves. Nerves are the bundle of fibers. Got it? Nerves क्या हैं? They are the bundle of fibers. You can see a lot of fibers in the body. So they are made up of number of fibers, and they are the messengers of the body. Messengers. You know what are messengers? In olden times, the people use pigeons for carrying the message from one place to another. Got it? So in the same way, these nerves act as a messengers. They carry the message from the body to the brain and from the brain to the body. Got it? They carry message between the brain and other parts of the body. And nerves are made up of nerve cells called neuron. So you have a picture here. This is called neuron. Got it? Nerves are made up of nerve cell and we call it neuron. And nerves are of three types. That is given in your book also on page number 46. These are sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. Got it? Now we are going to study about the sensory nerves. Got it? So it is clear from its name only. Sensory means sense organs. It is attached to the sense organs. They carry the message from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord. So from where do they carry the message? They carry the message from the sense organs. Means just like nose, skin, eyes. So these are the sense organs. So they take the message from the sense organ to the brain or to the spinal cord. And when brain interprets this message, we are able to see, hear, smell, taste or feel. Means सबसे पहले जो मैसेज है वो सेंस ऑर्गन से ब्रेन के पास में जाता है. ब्रेन उनको मॉडिफाई करता है and then we are able to see, able to hear, able to smell or able to taste or feel. I hope this is clear to you. For example, sensory nerves कैसे work करती हैं? We will see here in the picture. It is given here. For example, if any of the socks is smelling bad, so if you will smell it, so this goes to the nose, and then the nose sensory nerves of the nose take the message to the brain and interpret it. Then we came to know that the smell is so bad, and we throw the socks into the laundry bag for washing. I hope this is clear. So you can feel it with the help of your skin, nose. You can taste with the help of your tongue. You can hear with the ear and vision. These all are possible because of the sensory nerves. They take the message from the sense organs to the brain, and then brain interpret them, and we are able to see, we are able to taste, we are able to do different kinds of work. We can sense. Motor nerves. So here is the picture of the motor nerves. They carry the message from the brain or the spinal cord to the other parts of the body. Got it? Is it clear? They do not carry the message from the sense organ. They carry the message from the brain or the spinal cord to the different parts. ये message कहाँ से लेके जाती हैं? Brain से या फिर spinal cord से to the different parts of the body. Our muscles and the glands work as the instructed by these message. Got it? Which part of our body work according to the motor nerves? Our muscles and the glands work as they are instructed by the motor nerves. Got it? ब्रेन इनको मैसेज देता है या स्पाइनल कॉर्ड मैसेज देती है, एंड देन मसल्स एंड ग्लैंड्स वर्क ऑन दैम. वर्किंग ऑफ मोटर नर्व्स यू कैन सी हियर. देखिए ब्रेन जो है, ब्रेन मोटर नर्व्स को मैसेज देता है, एंड मैसेज कहाँ पर पहुँचता है? हमारे मसल्स के पास में, एंड देन वी आर एबल टू वॉक. गॉट इट? सेंसरी वर्सेस मोटर नर्व्स. गॉट इट? So what is the difference between the sensory and motor nerves? So sensory nerves, neurons that carry sensory impulse from the sensory organ to the central nervous system, they are known as sensory neurons. Means they carry the message from the sense organ to the brain, and the neurons that carry motor impulse from the central nervous system to the specific effectors is known as motor nerves. So they carry the message from the brain to the different parts of the body, means muscular or the glands, muscles or the glands. Now the mixed nerves. So they carry messages in both the direction between the brain or the spinal cord and other parts of the body. For example, spinal nerve. So they carry the message in both the direction, means either from the sense organs or from the from other parts of the body to the brain, and from the brain they carry the message to the different parts of the body. So they work in both the direction. To understand it, let us have an example stimulus. For example, if we are thirsty, if we will see the water, we are feeling thirsty. So our eyes can see that the water is there, a glass of water is there. So we are feeling thirsty. So they carry the message to the brain. Sensory neurons carry the message to the brain, then brain interprets them, and motor nerves carry the message to the muscles of the hand, and then we are able to carry the glass in our hand and we drink the water. Is it clear to you? I hope this is clear to you. So go through the video. Till then, bye bye.